social media. People wants to click really good photographs.
Exactly.
And the teenagers these days, I mean, they are really fascinated about how good they are looking in front of others. So is it something that psychology is affecting this kind of issues?
Definitely. Okay, Tushar, let's do a small little exercise. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Imagine a beautiful lady smiling. Now imagine a beautiful lady ka painting smiling.
Okay.
Open your eyes. Who did you get in your first image?
The painting of Mona Lisa.
Yes. So in that painting, doesn't it occur to you that the smile that is there, it doesn't display teeth? Has it occurred to anybody in fact?
Actually not.
So thanks to photography, what has happened is that time, because photographs were not there, painting was the only way to depict, picture or depict something. In fact, Renaissance times, you go to any museum as well and you see जो भी पहले ज़माने के portraits और वो सब है, nobody shows their teeth. But after photography and the advent of cameras and everything has happened, we have started becoming conscious of our smiles. Because when a person is smiling with perfectly set of teeth, that is such a beautiful picture to look at, rather than
But I really didn't understand कि मुझे वो वाला image क्यों आया मोनालिसा का.
It's programmed in our memory, and sometimes when I ask my patients also, trust me, 99% of the people say the Mona Lisa painting. Having done this exercise, so because of social media and because now we are the phone is in our hand 24/7, and anytime we are looking good, we want to take a picture. So imagine taking pictures where your teeth are not looking good. And if you're taking several pictures and वो pictures में तुम देख रहे हो अरे यार मेरी smile ठीक नहीं है, मेरी smile ठीक नहीं है, that is the reason why people want to come and they want to get some work done, whether it's alignment, whether it's veneers. So they want to get that kind of treatment just to have that beautiful smile. And imagine Madhuri Dixit. Like when somebody did this exercise with me, I imagined Madhuri Dixit. Second was Mona Lisa. But first was Madhuri Dixit, like a beautiful smile that she has, perfectly aligned teeth and molar to molar wali smile.
Right.
So सबको वैसा चाहिए आज. Everybody wants to look that beautiful and have that.
People are struggling to get everything done just to look good in front of others.
Absolutely, and it is a psychology, because when today we are opening our social media and we are seeing everybody's so-called perfect lives, we also want to project that somewhere to boost our self-confidence and self-esteem.
I think 10 to 15 years back, it was not a case, right? I think dentists, it was only need-based.
It was need-based dentistry
need-based, more. Yeah, and these days I think it is part of a lifestyle, I feel.
Absolutely. So need-based dentistry versus want-based dentistry. So now the percentage of want-based dentistry is kind of higher in the urban population and in the population especially where teens are continuously taking their pictures rather than need based. But what is happening luckily is at least the footfall has increased to the dentist, even if you're coming for your smile correction. But if I show you with a scanner and you can see the 3D image on the television that oh my god मुझे यहाँ पे cavity है, oh my god मुझे यहाँ पे है. So we address need based plus want based as well in the same.
It might be helpful for them because अगर कुछ छोटा कुछ रहेगा, we can easily work on it and get rid of it rather than वो after 5 years, 10 years,
exactly.
It becomes serious, right?
Yes, and your mind only knows what your eyes can see. So if your mind has seen that image of your teeth, भले वो छोटा cavity रहेगा, but वो आपके मन में चलता रहेगा, अरे shit यार मेरे दांत में ऐसा है. But imagine पहले के जमाने में कैसा रहता था? The dentist would only see with the mirror inside. He will tell you कि अरे यहाँ पे cavity है, यहाँ पे cavity है, and actually तुमको पता नहीं because तुमने देखा ही नहीं है कि cavity क्या होती है.
Right.
So that's why there would sometimes be delay in treatment, or sometimes you are just like हाँ होएगा कुछ you just feel like, is he really even saying the truth?
Right.
But now, because everything is so
सबको ऐसा लगता है
visual,
कि हाँ डेंटिस्ट को पैसे लेने हैं तो वो बता
sometimes, yeah, sometimes that could be a fact.
Psychology is a part, and in India, I think लोग तो ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना, these are like secondary options in their lives.
Yeah, because pain is not there.
Right.
And you will address only when, you know, there is some pain in your life or it is affecting the quality of your life, only then you take action.
Right.
But here, what we do, because we have shown what all is there happening in the mouth, they are like, "Arey baap re, mere daant aise hai." And sometimes teeth are good also. So they are like, okay, you know, they are confident what they are doing in terms of maintaining their oral hygiene is good. So that is also a good boost to your, you know, confidence also, and you know that you are doing well. You are doing your cleaning and everything well.
Okay.